So I just found this new AI tool that creates viral shorts instantly, just like these, right from your phone. All you have to do is upload one long form video and you'll get back multiple perfectly edited short form clips with captions, the right format, and everything. All done by AI in just seconds on your phone or computer. So let's dive in. I'll show you exactly what this tool is and how you can use it to create viral shorts just like these instantly. All right, so this is the tool right here. It's called AI Video Cut. And you'll notice if you click up here where it says pricing, they do actually have a completely free plan. So you can go ahead and try this out to see if it's good before you actually pay and sign up for one of their paid plans. Now, I'll have a link for AI Video Cut in the description down below. And this is the perfect time to let you know that they are the sponsor of today's video. So I did want to thank them for that. So I'm going to jump over to my phone now because I want to show you how I use AI Video Cut with their mobile version on the go so that I can be working and creating these shorts no matter where I am. So I'm logged in now to my AI Video Cut account on my iPhone, obviously, and you'll see that this is very simple to use. All you need to do is upload a long form video and it will then turn it into lots of shorts or clips. Now there's two ways to do that. You can either upload a local file like one you already have on your phone, or if you're accessing this from your computer, or you can just upload a link to a YouTube video. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to paste in a YouTube link and click on submit. So here you can see it brought in the video right here. We can see the title and the thumbnail for it. Now, before we actually submit this, we actually want to change up some of these settings. So right here, leave this one on auto, but in the middle, this is how you change the aspect ratio of the videos that it's going to output. So if you want things for TikTok or Instagram stories, choose 9:16. If you want it for an Instagram post, you want 1:1. Or if you're creating more of a clips channel where all the videos are widescreen, just like this one, then you want to choose 16:9. So that's what I'm going to choose. And then the last setting here, this is how the AI actually knows what to extract from the long form videos. This is where it starts to get a bit fun because these are different prompts that you can use. Now, by default, it's choosing the one called viral clips. And honestly, for most use cases, that's the best one that you should go with. However, if you're doing something more like a podcast and you want to extract from the long form video memorable phrases, then go ahead and select that one. We also have topic clips, a trailer, so that can just be a short that is like a trailer for your long form video to then drive traffic to that longer video. We have product ads, testimonials, instructions, so a lot of different prompts here that you can choose between. However, if you're not happy with any of them for some reason, you could always set up a custom prompt. But I'm going to go ahead and select viral clips, and I'm going to change it to, or I'm going to leave it at 7 clips. So it's going to make 7 of them for me. Now, the last setting is right here. These are the captions. I want captions on. I really recommend those for any type of shorts or clips. But right here are the different caption styles that you can choose between. However, I really like the one called Shouter, so I'm going to leave it on Shouter. This is what it's going to look like. And once I'm happy with everything, I could just click right here where it says submit. All right, so it is now finished. Let's go ahead and open up this project. So here we can see all 7 of the clips that I asked it to make. Now, again, I didn't give it specific instructions on what to extract. It used AI to do that. So this video is about some free apps that you could potentially use to earn money with. And it actually was able to identify what some of those apps were and made just little clips about each of those. And what I like about this is that they give you a nice AI generated title right here, as well as the video and a transcript as well. So let's go ahead and give one of these a watch, like this one that says get paid for photos. The 6th app on my list is a very interesting one because it literally pays you to take photos with your phone, and that's it. So this is Premise, this is the app right here. And when you sign up for it, you're gonna be assigned these different tasks. And usually what these are they want you to walk around your town and take photos, usually of different businesses or different signs. It's very simple to do. Now, what I love about that was that notice how it was perfectly able to time when to start the clip and when to end the clip. So it's not starting in the middle of a sentence or ending in the middle of a sentence. It logically knows that, hey, right here, Paul is talking about a new subject, this new app. We're going to start there and we're going to end at a natural end point. Now, of course, this syncs so you can start something on your phone and finish it later when you get home to your laptop. So for instance, here, this is the video we were just looking at. If I liked it, I can go ahead and download it and just use it the way it is. But they also have this edit button right here, which opens up the editor. And this allows you to make some changes. So for instance, I can come to the captions, and let's say I didn't like these captions. Well, I can change up the style of the captions. Let's say I want to use these green ones instead. So now I can play that. The sixth app on my list. I like that, so I'm going to go ahead and click on apply. Then once I'm totally happy, I can download each of these. And another really cool feature is that if you click right here where it says auto description, this actually gives you a description that you can use for your video, complete with hashtags as well. So you can just go ahead and copy this and use this when you're posting your video on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, wherever you're posting it. So there you have it. That's how you can use AI Video Cut to create viral shorts instantly instead of spending hours editing manually. The AI does all the heavy lifting, finding the best moments, formatting everything, adding captions, all in seconds. And the fact that it has a built-in editor and works on mobile as well makes it even more powerful. If you want to try it out for yourself, make sure to click that first link in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.